Alright, it's a 2017 Chevy Bolt. Got 113,000 miles on it. It looks like the AC compressor is out. I'm kind of following the shop manual to see to keep track of my progress. So disconnected the battery, positive terminal. It's been sitting for like 20 minutes. Disconnected the AC compressor, DC voltage going out to it. And it says remove the driver's side tire and remove the inner liner, fender well inner liner. So I'm doing that. You got some screws here along the side. You got a pop, one of the little plastic pop rivets here, another bolt here. And my idea is just to fold it back so I'm not taking these ones out. And then there's a couple more under here that you got to do. These ones right here, these are 8mm right there. It seems like it's loose enough, so next time I film it'll hopefully be out. Alright, so I pulled the fender liner back, inner fender well, it's out. You can see the AC compressor's right, let's see if I can get that right there. That's what we need to get to. So that's the next step. It looks like I'm gonna have to take off the under tray. Looks like a bunch of 8s, so we'll pull that off and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so this is where we're at now on the AC compressor change out. Got the high voltage line disconnected. Fender well pulled back, which makes it easier to get in there. And now I pulled out this pump. I don't know exactly what it goes to yet, but one of the cooling system. And then there's the plug for the AC compressor, which was kind of a pain to get out. When you're pulling yours out, don't do like I did and pull the connectors out. You gotta squeeze it out and plug it, or you're gonna pull the actual pins out, which is what I did. Let's see here. And then you got 2 plugs. You got your, this one goes to the pump, and then you got this goes into the AC compressor right here. Let's see if I can get a better video of that. Goes in the AC compressor right here. And then you have your high pressure and low pressure plugs, which there's the one's gonna go there and the other's gonna go there. Then I tape the ends off so you don't get any moisture in there. That's it. So this is the new one. I slid it in already. It helps pull this pump out, gives you more room to slide it out and then down. So when you come out with it, you'll pull it out this way, then you'll slide it up here, and then you'll drop it out. And the hardest part is there's a stud that's in the top here. You can't see it. Let's see if I can get to see it. I don't think I can. Where's it at? It is. Oh, where's it at? I can't find it. It's up here somewhere. It's like right. I don't know if that's gonna show. It's right there. It's this guy right here. He's a pain. You gotta have the compressor slide way out and then kind of turn it counterclockwise and then slide it on and then twist it clockwise and it'll fall into place. So that's where we're at. Alright, this is the failed AC compressor out of my Bolt. The way I tested it was these leads right here. I tested at the end here with the ohm meter and it was infinite resistance. So I came here, pull these 2 torque bolts out, pull this off. This is preset, so it's not going to be that easy to pull it off. Pull that out, and then this is what they call a DC filter. Pulled it out and ohmed this out, and this is where the this was infinite resistance across here. No sooner you see it's failed. Everything else in the compressor tested well, so be sure to check this and don't make the same mistake I did. You could probably buy this part somewhere a lot cheaper than it is to replace the whole compressor, because this was the failed part. The compressor was still good. So there's a part number, filter assembly. So be sure and check that before deciding to replace your whole compressor.